won't believe what this gadget can do. Why don't you watch to the end? Hello, where are all the tech enthusiasts? Join me today in the unboxing of this incredible device by Powerology. It's called a Qi2 Speaker charge station. So why don't you join me right up so we unbox the device and see what it looks like from inside. So here we go. Taking it out of the box. So in here, it comes along with a C2C charger. As you can see from here, a C2C charger. And let's go straight to unveiling the device itself. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. So here, this is the device. Here you have the power button, a play and pause button, a volume control button, which is the increasing of the volume and reducing of your volume here. This one is in case you want to make use of the Bluetooth. Like I earlier said, it also has a Bluetooth speaker inbuilt in the device. So it's more like a 5-in-1 device. It's got an integrated speaker, a rotating charging pad here on the top. Then we have pop-up or pop-out charging docks from the sides. You can see from here and from here. And it's also got built-in safeguards. So why don't you go straight up to try it out? Before I forget, here we've also got a QR code. Once you scan this QR code, it takes you directly to the Powerology website, which tells you more. It displays a manual for this item, which tells you everything that you need to know about the specs of the item. So let's try it out now and see what it looks like. So I'm just going to power it on. So now, so once you press and hold on the power button, you hear there's like a beeping sound telling you that the Bluetooth is also activated. So if I put it down and I press on this, there's a small button at the top here. Once you place on the button, the charging pads pop out from both sides. And then you have the rotating pad here as well. With this rotating pad, I can easily charge my mobile. If you want to charge a mobile, once you place it on this, and this, take note, this actually works with mobiles that support Qi charging, which means supports wireless charging. Once I place my mobile here, which supports Qi charging, you see, it's actually charging. And the good thing about this pad is it rotates. It can actually rotate. There's a small button here on the side. Once I press on this button here, once I press on the small button on the side, just a touch, you see it rotates. While your mobile is charging, you just need to place it there. You need to unlock. So as you can see from here, the phone is actually charging right now, making use of the charging pad, the wireless charging pad. Like I earlier explained to you guys, normally when charging this, make sure your phone supports wireless charging. If not, you won't be able to charge it on the charging pad. And the good thing about this is it also rotates. So if I touch on the small button on the side here, you see, it actually rotates. And you can bring it back to the normal position by a small tap on the button. You can see the button is found here below on the side, this button here. So right now we're going to try the inbuilt speaker, which I earlier mentioned. But before we do that, you need to pair up the device from the button which I showed you earlier, the power button. So just press on that. So the Bluetooth has been turned on. Next thing we do is we go to our settings, click on Bluetooth, make sure that the device is identified amongst your Bluetooth devices. You see here the Qi2 EWC039, so that's the device name for this. So once you click on that, it shows it's paired up. So from here I'm going to try playing something now from my phone while it's charging, like I earlier mentioned. Let's try to play something. Let's see. I'm just gonna play a good track and see how it goes. Let's try to play something.
Therapy is extremely uncomfortable, is how I used to feel. But fast forward 10 years.
The sound is really amazing from the speaker. And you can actually increase the volume either from your mobile or from the device itself. Let's go through. So you see the sound system is amazing, the inbuilt sound system. So you can always play as well as charge your phone at the same time. And so the next thing we're going to try to do now is to charge an Apple Watch. Like I earlier mentioned, you have two pop-out pads on the sides. One is for your Airpods, if you're making use of Airpods that supports wireless charging, and this is for your smartwatches. So right now I'm going to try to charge an Apple Watch from this end. So as you can see from here, it's charging. The Apple Watch is also charging. So if you have a smartwatch, you can also charge on this device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video.